Hello everybody, my name is Ethan, and today I'm going to show you how to use Pixton. Pixton is an online comic and story building creator that allows students to build an interactive and fun comic strip using a wide array of backgrounds, characters, and designs. As you see, when you first pull up the page, there's educators, students, parents, and business all at the top. And so that allows for whoever wants to interact with Pixton and wants to interact with their students and classrooms have a different option. I have it set up as a student, and so once you're signed in, this is what you'll see. The first thing that will happen when you make a new account is that you will get to design your own character. You'll get to see mine here in a little bit. That being said, the character design is really inclusive of body type, eye color, clothing, even down to hearing aids and being able to access or being able to give your character a wheelchair. So one of the things that I think that Pixton did really good here is putting in place for any type of student to be able to come on and design a character that looks just like them or as close as they can possibly get. Once your character is designed, or your student's character is designed, this is going to be the page that pops up. The first thing is the create a comic, and the second is need an idea. Needing an idea is basically starting spots. It's writing prompts or story starters and different things like that. They've got a ton of different ideas on there and is a great spot to kind of give students a opportunity to play with this before giving them an actual assignment to look at. The main part, though, is the creating a comic. When you create a comic, you can, as a teacher, give them a particular story idea or things like that, and then they can use this to build their own comic strip and a number of different images to go with it. Once they're ready, they can click on the Create Now button. After this loads up, the first thing that you'll see is at the top left corner, this is your white blank first panel, and this is the exact same panel over here. So as soon as I interact with it, this one will get full, and the same thing over here. And then I could add panels. The next is these four main categories at the top. So background, characters, focus, and words. And each of those will allow you to add new things into the panel that you're currently working on. There will be some others as we go, but those are the four main ones. The first is background. So since I'm doing just a demonstration, I'm going to go through and I'm going to find a background that looks cool to me. But as you can see, I'm not even going to give them time for all of them to load. They have thousands of different backgrounds for you to choose from. And you can also favorite them. So if I really like that one, it will be favorited, and then next time when I load this up, it'll be at the top. So I'm going to pick, I saw one earlier that I thought would be kind of fun. I'm going to pick the jungle right here because I think that that'll be pretty cool. I got lots of butterflies and a river and some trees to work with. So now that I've picked my background for the first panel, I'm going to click the characters. And as you can see, again, they have tons of pre-designed characters. And they even have different sections that you can go with. So, teacher, and they've got a ton of pre-designed teachers to kind of choose from in a wide array of outfits, obviously from a wide array of subjects and backgrounds and all kinds of different things. Even got a nice little wood shop teacher right there, and I saw a music teacher earlier. So, but then you can delete that, or you can get more specific. You can also input your own character that you designed. So there's me. So I'm going to be, kind of our first character to work with. And let's see. Once I have that, it will allow me, and once I am working on one character, I can pick a different outfit. I'm going to leave myself in the outfit I designed because I think that's pretty fitting for me. But I can also change the focus of my character. So make him walking. And then I can give him different actions. So kind of moving forward, and I'm doing that. That'd be pretty cool if I had a sword in my hand or something like that. I can change the facial expressions, although you can also do this in the character builder. I'm going to go, once I'm finished with that, I'm going to change his action so that it's more fitting. Let's just do the walking again. And you'll see as every time I do that, it kind of changes over here. Once I'm finished, I can go back, I can back out, and now I can add a new character. So I'm going to go in, and I'm going to add in unicorn person. That seems fun. And so it will automatically put them beside you, although you can move them. So for this one, I'm gonna make the unicorn person leading me, and I'm gonna leave him in that outfit because I think that that's pretty fun. But I can change the colors of the outfit. I can make it a blue unicorn person. I can make it a red unicorn person, and I can change their hair. I can change everything about every single character that you input, and it gives you a lot of creative license to kind of move everybody around and do something really unique. I'm going to move out of that. Next is the focus. So I've already changed the focus once here, but you can change it and it will automatically kind of move your characters to fit the focus that you said. So as you watch, things will get moved around and people will look a little bit different. I am going to go back to that original walking one that I kind of had. Move him back in front of me. And then next will be words. So the way that this will work is that you have all of your different characters and you could add captions. And I could say, where are we going? Question mark. And I can do a check. And it will automatically add in a word bubble around my character. And as you've already seen faces that can be changed with the characters, and then actions. Where this gets interesting, though, is that I can add in a new panel. And once it gives it a second, it will already add in all of the characters and the background. And all I have to do is now edit the motion or the perspective and things like that, or add the words. So, I'm going to move him back ahead of me. And then I'm going to add in words for him. So I'm going to go words, add words to an awesome fishing spot. And there, I'll click it in. And now we have two different panels. And I'll just to show it one more time, if I make a third new panel, it will again bring over the characters in the background. It just doesn't bring it over the words. I think that this is a really cool feature because you don't have to go in and change it every time if you're going to stay in the same scene. That being said, if I want to change scenes, all it takes is for me to go and click on my new scene. And now we're at the ocean, that really cool fishing spot that they were talking about. And then once you're finished and you've made it and you've added your words and changed it and done your actions however you want, you're going to click done up to the top and you'll name it. And I'm going to name this the fishing spot because that seems to have been the theme of what I ended up with. And your little comic strip will be created. You can then download it, print it, share it, edit it, and if you're in a classroom, or if I was already part of a teacher's classroom, it also gives you the option to upload it to the classroom so that your teacher can look at it through the Pixton website. So I think that pretty much covers it. I think that this program is really good. I think it offers a lot for students to look at and learn about, and can be really interactive with especially social studies, science, and language arts, in allowing them to build a storyboard or showcase different processes and things like that, or even something from history, and get to do it in a really interactive and fun way. Thank you.